Hello, my name is James. I'm with Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Whirlpool Cabrio WED8900BC0. If you don't know where to locate your model number for your dryer, you simply open the door and you should find the manufacturer label somewhere around the door or on the inside by the door hinges. Let's get started. Now you just need to disconnect the door switch. Once you look over here, you'll see the little tab. Just lift up on the tab and then just pull them apart. And there we go. You should be able to lift up on the front panel and move it out of the way. The exhaust thermistor is located on the top of the blower wheel housing. Exhaust thermistors monitor outgoing air temperature. A faulty exhaust thermistor may result in the dryer cutting off prematurely, or you may receive an error code on your display. Thermal fuses are a safety device that monitor outgoing air temperature. Should the outgoing temperature increase to an unsafe range, the thermal fuse would open and would shut off power to the dryer. It is often recommended to replace the thermistor and thermal fuse at the same time.